State University, number 11.
Hey, come on, man, you what? Hey, listen. Listen. Big major announcement. Listen, if this is your very first time trading live with us, if this is your very first session trading with me, I have a huge announcement, baby.
Welcome to the party.
Welcome to the 15-minute Mafia, boys.
Welcome to the party.
Oh my God, we go straight into it, you heard? Huh? Hey, come on, man. Huh? Rodney with the news, you heard? Alright, Rodney with the news, you heard? It's not fuck NFP they win, Chance. It's not even Friday. NFP is tomorrow, right? Huh? Alright, so Rodney with the news said we got unemployment claims red folder at 8:30. NFP is tomorrow. So today 8:30 red folder news in the next 3 minutes. So we won't be taking a trade before then. That's about it. Alright, let's see what Slick Chart's talking about. Alright, so NASDAQ is a group of the top 100 technical companies, tech companies. Did I say technical? Technology companies, but also have some companies from other sectors, right? So these are the actual 100 stocks that make up. Even DoorDash is up in here. Hey man, shout out to DoorDash, you up? I know some of y'all DoorDash just last night. But yeah, DoorDash, you know what I'm saying, one of the stocks. And then that O'Reilly. I just seen that shit somewhere. But anyway, get what I'm saying? So whenever these stocks are all green, then that means NASDAQ is going to push up, and then we look for all longs. Whenever these stocks are all red, that means the NASDAQ is just going to fucking drop, and then we look for all sells. So if you add up all of these stock prices and then divide it by 100, then that is the price on NASDAQ. 19.9, so 20,000, right? Got you. So are you mainly just look at the top 10? Everything's mainly green right now, except for two little small reds, right? And then they're big green too, 8%, 4%, 3%, 2, 6%, right? And these are refreshed, right? Let me refresh it. Yes, these are refreshed. So you know what I'm saying? Shit's pumping up, actually. These stocks are up pretty nicely. What's the Nvidia price? 113. Alright, here we go, man. Let's break it down. You heard. Bro, why do you keep saying NFP, bro? I need NFP is tomorrow, bro. Today is fucking unemployment claims, bro. It's not the same shit. I think. If it was the same shit, it would have the same name, right? Alright, news is coming out right now, you. No, you're right, but not fully right. You're kind of on point, but you're not, right? So, the actual NFP is always going to be the first Friday of every month. Right? So if tomorrow's Friday and it's the second day of the month, is that the first Friday of the month? Yeah, so NFP is Friday. Tomorrow. So every first Friday of the month is NFP unless something else happens. But I think it always lands on, it always does it like that. Alright, let's look at it real quick. Well, you're at these like crazy highs. Let's show this on all terminals, all intervals. I just said all intervals. Why can't I see it? The fuck? Oh, probably because it's fucking M&Q, Bruce! So boom, 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 liquidity grab at the highs. We're in no. We're in like La La Land, way above, just hovering above, right? Hovering above. There's a 4-hour high over here. So price hasn't fully came to it yet. Very close. Okay, so that's the highs. The next highs are up here. Do it like that. And then we got some highs right here. That's plenty right now. Then we got these previous highs. That's broken, so I'll leave that there for a crazy pullback to it and maybe extend it. So I'll get rid of this one, get rid of these. So I'll move this one to this 4-hour low, and I'll move this one to the low right here. Got it? All right, so now we got our 4-hour levels. Let's see what the 4-hour chart actually looks like. So boom, they came down, grabbed all this liquidity, right? So before this big old move, price came down and hit all these lows before it shot up yesterday at the end of the day and into today. Got it? So this could be liquidity down there, grabbed, pushed up, trend direction, right? So that's the one. That's the 4 hour. It's a big old order block candle right here that it can come down to and then do the push up. Start going down to the 1 hour. Now we see this order block candle here at the very bottom. Why is this an order block candle? Because price pushed up and made a break of structure here. So price broke up, price pushed up, broke the highs, pushed up, and then came down back into this order block, actual current price right now, and rejecting. So all news did was push it down to this 1 hour order block. So we actually might have a huge move up here. If we get us some push-ups and then pull back to the order blocks and then push-ups, another pullback, low, you know, good risk to reward trade, small stop, great profit target, what am I trying to say? Profit potential, you know, opportunities and all that shit. All that smooth shit. Alright, so that's the, what is this? This is the 1 hour. Okay. Bro, shut the fuck up. Current interval only. Now we come down here to the 30-minute. Same level. So we got a 30-minute and a 1 hour lining up. Yo, shut the fuck up. Whatever channel that is, I'm about to leave that bitch. Or mute it. I'm gonna be looking. Bro, shut up, bro. What that shit say? Is that this? No. I gotta find this channel. Is it this? Ah, here you go. Boom. You better shut the fuck up. Freaking mute. Thank you. Nobody wanna hear that, boy. On God. 0 notifications. Mute that shit. Yes, bro. Until I turn it back on. And I'ma never turn it back on. Alright, here we go. There's an FVG right here. For all my FVG people. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'll just keep it there. We can do all intervals. Then we're going to do FVG. Capiche? Alright, that's the hour. Then we go down to the 30 ball. That's the 30 ball. Okay, then we go down to the 15 now. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we come up here, right? So, since we have a break of structure, this is a valid order block at the top. So if it wants to continue down, maybe come deeper, right? Take all this money down here, hit liquidity, So if it hit liquidity up here, now it's coming down to hit this one, possibly. Or is it going to reject and continue trend and go hit this liquidity up here and up here? Or is it going to push past this and probably come up, hit this order block, which should be the same exact level. Yep, this exact same level. This is just more refined. The more, it's a little higher, better R to R if you wait for the 15. So that's a 30-minute OB right there. Right, so boom, it could be a buy rejection up to sell, and then we blow through this shit, and then we come deeper. Or it's the opposite. This is the buy, and then come into the sell to reject, to come down to a lower time frame buy, and then blow through it. Got it? So we got to see which direction it's going to go first by waiting and confirming. Just waiting. Just by waiting and confirming. Got it? Okay, so bong bong, got the 15 up here. But if I had to guess a direction, since they grabbed this up here like this, and it comes back up, honestly, I would have to go trend direction first. I would have to go trend direction for a buy first, until the buy violates, and then I'll flip it over for a sell and recover. Because if it just goes up, we're good. We ain't got to do all that. But if I'm wrong, it's not fucking going up. You get what I'm saying? Then that's when I'll confidently full port and go fucking down. Not full port, but I'll probably just do double the risk. Okay. Yeah, see. Alright, let's keep going, you know? Let's just keep going, dude. We got the 5 right here. Okay. It's the man right here. Quavo. Oh, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up. I walk in the closet, I walk in the I'm just doing my dab. I call it a pipe it up. Alright, down to the 1 minute. If it's going to keep going down, it's going to reject off of this candle. Minute order block right there. Stop loss right above. That wouldn't be a bad short. We're just in the indecision area without any confirmation. So if this pushes up, it can be like, okay, it's still riding the order block. But if it pushes down, it could be, okay, it's riding the most recent trend direction. Whenever it's indecision, I don't like to trade. I'll just let it wait and confirm. But I definitely wanted to short. Without thinking hard, I was short right now. Without thinking too hard, I was short right now. But that's counter trend though, to the big trend. So that's why I gotta stop. Stop doing that. I'm doing like that. They call it the pipe it up. Hey Rodney, they're gonna see you in public. They're like, wait, are you Rodney with the news? Hey, are you Rodney with the news, bro? Dude, man, I've been seeing you on stream, bro. Thanks, bro. That one day you let us know about that 9:30 news, you saved us. Now my kids are in college, man. Thanks, because of you, bro. Because of you, bro. My wife just bought her a new car, man, because of you, dude. Rodney with the news, man. You Yep, my son just got that scholarship. Yep. All thanks to you, man. All thanks to you. All thanks to you, man. Yep. My daughter, she made the volleyball team, man. I couldn't have did it without you, dude. Rodney with the news, man. Freaking legend, dude. Pro volleyballer from the news. We don't miss because of you, Rodney. Facts. Can we play some Busta Rhymes?
You need to leave. You need to leave.
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
Rodney said, I wanted to say that your son is doing his thing. I love that cross-field tackle. Boy, that shit is hot ass. Hell yeah, appreciate it, Rodney. Yeah, man, the boy be balling. I got a lot of shit that I haven't posted yet, so I gotta roll out all them videos before the new season starts soon. There you go. Oh, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up. Pipe it up. This should just hit the MA. It could be tanking from here. But I would probably wait. If I were gonna even sell for real, it would be like a crazy, like a setup like this or something. Shit, it's already there. It's already there, so that sell wouldn't be bad. She was a basic. I walk in the club, tell her to pipe it up. Oh, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up. Nah, facts, man. Kid got some speed. That boy played quarterback and defensive end, bro. I don't know what he gonna play this year on defense, but end is a good spot on that edge, bro. We just gotta get him stronger on actually, like, you know, using his hands to, like, you know, get off the lineman, and then, you know, it's all handwork, feet work. Get to the backfield quick, stopping the run, or you know, on the quarterback. They're not gonna have a time to throw. On God. They're going to have to double team him, and then we're coming hard on the other side. It's fucking, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on. Pipe it up! Ah! We trying to go undefeated this year. And another ring. A bigger ring, too. Bigger ring, bigger trophy. And we going MVP for this new team, too. So, yeah, go follow my boy on Instagrams. Go follow my boy right. Damn, we got 48 people in this bitch? Yo! We got 48 in this gun? That's tough. What the kids be saying? That's tough. The kids be like, that's tough. We got 48 on here today. Let's go. No, that is insane. 48, bro. That's fire. We're growing, y'all. What is his Instagram? Type it in. No. But nah, it's pretty easy. It's called Jaden SRT. Jaden underscore SRT. Jaden underscore SRTT. It's got 2 T's. Alright, I'll type it. Fuck it. Jaden underscore SRTT. It was like 20 of us. We like doubled. Yep. We literally been growing like the past like 7 days, 10 days. A lot of people been locking in. But get that, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of what happens though. When you go on streaks, people want to be part of the streak. When you can show you're consistent at something, people want to be part of it, bro. Plain and simple. So you're gonna see 100 in this bitch soon. Plain and simple. Big Jaden, remember when he was a baby? Facts. That boy about to be 9 this year. He 8 right now. He about to be 9 this year. Crazy. 9 years, bro. But boss lady, remember when I say I've been trading for 9 years successfully, and he was in my hand when I got evicted, 1 month old. His mom went back to on what's it called, maternity leave or paternity leave, on a maternity leave. When you go back to work after having a baby, whatever that is, the 4 weeks or 6 weeks after having a baby, the day she went back to work was the day we got evicted from Stone Mountain, Georgia, in our house. We went from apartment to a house. I was trading a little bit. I was doing IML a little bit. And I was doing MCA a little bit. I was making fucking no money pretty much. We got evicted. Yes, 3 months behind on rent. 3-4 months behind on car insurance. No car insurance. 3-4 months behind on car note. No car note. My shit was, when I moved back to mommy's house, right after we got evicted, that same day, the tow truck pulling up trying to get my car because my car was registered at my mom's crib back when I had it, when I got it. So as I'm pulling up to the crib to, move in, reset, we just got evicted. Here comes the tow truck. Hey, are you Bruce Webb or whatever? My wife or my fiance at the time, she was outside. She said, "Hey, Bruce, the tow truck out here talking about your car or whatever." So I ran outside, got in that bit, yeet, took off, cause they ain't know which car they had to confirm the tag and all this other shit. So I had time to take off, and my grandma got land. You know what I'm saying? She got good land, so we hid the car behind her shit, and then I end up getting, you know what I'm saying? My mom ended up helping me getting the note paid back right, get my insurance back right, pretty much get back on my feet, bro. Right? I went to work. I worked at a fucking restaurant called Culver's Burger Spot, pressing burger patties. I wanted like $9 an hour. Tried to come in at like a manager, $10 an hour, something like that. They said, "Yeah, my boy, no, you ain't got it like that. You gonna come in at this $7.50 and you're gonna be pressing patties." I said, "Hey man, I don't give a fuck. Right here by the crib, let me take it." I made like $300 every 2 weeks, something like that, $300-400 every 2 weeks. I took 2 checks, deposited like $300. So it took me 2 checks to save up $300 with spending other money and shit. And then I put $300 into my trading account. I was trading the 1 minute chart. I was trading currency, MT4 Forex back then. I was trading a 1 minute chart, Euro USD. I was trading anything, but mainly USD, Euro USD, because they had low spread. I was scalping the 1 minute chart using the RSI and the MACD. If you was around then, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Then a lot of people start joining. I was making a lot of money trading, scalping, making $100 a day. Bro, by Christmas, we got evicted November something right before Thanksgiving. So if Thanksgiving is around the 20th or the 17th every month, we got evicted around the 10th. Like halfway before Thanksgiving, right? We got evicted, right? Before Christmas, I had $7,000 of trading profits in my bank account. Less than a month later. That's how quick shit changed, right? The month of January, that next month, New Year's, good Christmas, all that shit. The month of January, I was up $3,000 the first 6 days of the month. That's when I quit my job, January 10th, 2017. I used to work at Culver's. The day I quit, January 10th, I went on my lunch break, got my free food, and I left. And I never came back. It was direct deposit. I never went back to work. I haven't worked a job since that day, January 10th, 2017. I've only gotten better and better and better and better and better on these charts. And now I'm helping everybody else do the same shit. So, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Oh! In a short summary, bro. And then alright, so let me finish a little story. And that first month I quit my job, I end up finishing January 2017, $17,000 profit. That next month, February 2017, I made $23,000, right? So in that February month, the difference between $17,000 and $23,000, I put my son in daycare, right? Because I was watching him while she went to work in the mornings and shit, right? So I had to put him in daycare because I can't be holding you in, trying to scout, get in and out of these trades while I'm holding this dude, feeding him, changing diapers and shit. So I put his ass in daycare. That's when I had dropped him off at 5, 6, you know what I'm saying, 6, 7 in the morning. Boom, I start scalping New York session, you know what I'm saying, type shit, and then pick him up around 2, 3 o'clock. Hey, man, I had all day to do whatever. Do webinars, call trades, do my own trade. Like, man, what? So, yeah, and then I've been averaging over $250,000 per year ever since 2017. And then, so that full year, we stayed at my mom's house and stacked up bread, got our credit right and shit, and then we got approved for a house. We've been in this same house since we got fucking evicted. This is the exact same house. If you really know the story, I recorded the video of turning $400 into $6,000 on my YouTube 7 years ago on my YouTube with this exact same sign right here. This exact same sign. I made this shit at Walmart. I made the photo. I sent it to them. They printed it. I had it. I posted it up, right? All this shit. My office, my desk was over there. I had a MacBook. I had the Mac. Bro, everybody, bro, if you know, you know. So that's how I got here, bro. Real talk. That's how I got here, bro. Yep, trading PSR and shit. So, yeah, bro, that's the story, bro. Yep. I remember when he was a baby. Yeah, I remember when Jaden was born. Sheesh. 3 MA strategy, 20 pips a day. Yep, all that shit. Yep. I need my miracle too, bro. Love hearing this story, man. Right. It's so genuine, bro. People be like making up shit. Like, bro, you can tell I ain't making up because that shit the same every time I tell it. It's the exact same. I know the numbers. I remember that shit. Bro, I look back at my numbers, bro. In 1 month, I had made $50,000. And I didn't even realize because I was already up from the last month that I wasn't really counting like all the stuff and shit. I looked at my spreadsheet at the end of the year per month. One of the months at $50,000, bro. And no other month did that, right? So it was really, back then. Type shit. So, crazy. It's really insane, bro. Bro, take this shit fucking serious. MCA, the MLM company, yes. That's what I was doing back then when I got evicted, yes. I wasn't making no money, bro. I was making maybe like $200-300 a week or something. A little bit from IML. I wasn't really busting the trades back then. I was kind of learning still. Using demo and shit. So, yeah, bro. You are a blessing. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, bro. Inspired. Yeah, bro. That's my story. I swear to God. I linked up with you during the PSAR days. Diamond trade idea days. It's been up ever since. If you know, you know. G-Money, I saw it happen. Facts. Me and G-Money went to high school together. I remember. Been following Bruce since then. He is the reason why I started seeing the power of trading. Facts, man. 3 EMA strategy. I remember that. Yeah, it was like what did I use? It was like the 150 and the 25 or something like that. Or like I think the 150 and the 25 I used to use. Kind of same shit. That's why I was like, bro, the moving average is the best shit. Why did I get off the moving averages? Put that shit back on. So I remember earlier I was like, all right, we touching the MA now. So from that touch, we've been going down ever since. Off of the same red line, breaking retest. Pretty simple. So now we probably can start looking. So now we're probably about to blow through this. Now we're definitely probably about to blow through this, right? So how are we going to get down here? Is by pulling back to one of these 1 minute order blocks real tight. You can still push up, but it's a higher probability now for a sell. So let's mark off this full candle, bro, because it's really the full. This is the actual candle, and this is actually like the touch. I might have to short it here. All right, get ready. All right, I'm going to go short, dude. We're going to go stop loss right above. If it wants to shoot up, that's fine. But I expect this to push all the way down. Where are we going to go? So if we're selling it, we need to be buying it at the bottom of this order block. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah. And we're still about a little under 50% of the 30 minute. So yeah, that's about right. So if we get a push, a boner candle. Let's put an alert at this golden zone right here. So when it hit this golden zone, that means it's going to make a new low. And then when it makes the new low, it's going to keep pushing down lower. Just like that. Bruce, I never heard your story before. This was the first time. I'm glad I was able to hear it. It was a blessing. Yeah, fact. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Ballin' like a origami. Not your years, insane. I might be closing full soon. Be ready. You come down here and click trading panel if you're not logged in, and then you click Trade Ovate and log in with your top step. Log in, bro. Then you're good. Ballin' like a origami. Oh, that part. Go to tradeovate.com and then go to the settings in the top right, and then go to add-ons, and then give TradingView back access for free. Alright, here we go. Boner candle. I might get out early, man. This shit's blowing me. There we go. Give me something. Give me something. Give me a little ding ding down here. Give me some ding ding. I'll get out. Give me that ding ding, boy. Pause. That's insane, right? Insane! Alright, look. So if I'm selling it, I'm going to put a buy limit right here. Bro, I'm about to get out full, bro. I'm out full, man. 265. Hold it if you want. I'm getting the fuck out, bro. I ain't playing with that shit.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
You feel me? Real tight, man. That's some real tight trades. What was in that trade? What, 3 minutes? No. This is the 2-minute chart. So we was in that trade 2, 4, 6, 8, maybe 6, 8 minutes. Hey, man, I'll take it. Right? It's not the speed we wanted because we wanted it real fast, but I'm just not willing to wait because it's at this low just chilling. We're in this order block, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're in this order block. Can still do whatever the fuck it want. We're in this order block, right? So just go ahead and get out, take your profits, right? And go to the next trade. Because what if it just shoots the fuck up and you was in profit, right? We can't let that happen. Got it? So, yeah, W's in the chat. Say if you still holding. Say if you close and P&L. Let's get it, baby.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
All right, this might be the, hold on, this might be the, you know what I'm saying? Another break and retest right here. Order block full, come into it with the MA right there. Too many failed requests. Any of y'all know how long it locks you out? Sheesh. How many accounts you have connected, Bruce? Y'all staring at me like, well, is you gonna say it? This is only one account. I trade one account on stream, and then after stream, I trade my 5 accounts. So, top step, you can only have 5. Ballin' like a origami. Damn, that's unfortunate, G Money. I don't really know. Maybe later today it might let you. But I thought you said done. Now you saying logged into TradeOvate, but on the chart it says I can't trade this symbol. What symbol? Got in late, but $40. Good word, good word. I said walk over Trish. Let's go, bro. Bro, to drop my story and then cash a trade. Oh, hold on. Fuck that. No. This is unacceptable, bro. We just cashed a little scout and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11 people put P&L and W's in the chat. If you're new here, we don't fuck around. When we cash out, we fucking put W's in the chat and PLL in the fucking chat. Or I won't get on this bitch. Cause I clearly don't have to be doing this shit. Clearly. You what?
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
Come on, man. Lock the fuck in, bro. It's a system. I get on here every day and I call trades. All you have to do is get on here, take the trades, and put it in the chat. That's it. That's all you gotta do. If that's all you have to do to make money with me, that's nothing. Come on now. Come on now. I'm the one that got to put in the work. I'm the one that's got to be on point. I be driving that work. Nolan, I don't give a fuck! You pull that Toyota Tundra 2019 over and you send the check! Nolan, you can trade and drive. Why can't you chat and drive? Yo, that should be fun, bro. That should be fun. See, bro? That 2019 Tundra, motherfucker, boy. Let me guess the color. I'm going to guess the color, Christian. I'm going to guess the color. It's 3 colors you got. Yo, my first guess is silver off rip. Your shit silver? Your shit is dark blue, like a royal dark blue. Not blue, not this blue, but like a dark blue. Or your shit red, like an ugly ass burgundy red. Tell me the color of your shit. Tell me your color, Christian. I ain't glad. Brown, doodoo brown, doodoo brown. Hey, hold on, listen. Real, he said it's clean, low key. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm just fucking with you. It's probably clean for sure. I'm just fucking with you. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. Hey, but listen. Look at the exit on that trade. So this is when I trade, bro. You got to be targeting some type of liquidity, right? So we were going to the lows, now into the block to push up. So that's why I just knew it wasn't going to go down. This is not guaranteed to go down before anything else, right? And an uptrend, right? So we were so counter trend, but it was so trend direction on the lower that I had to take it with risk for it not pushing up right now. The way it done broke low, and then pulled back to it, we was in profit. It came back up, went back down, and then we got out here. We got out like right here, literally. And then it went a little lower, and then that candle popped up. Look at that exit. Pop. Why? Because we came into this order block right here. This was our exit. I literally said that when we got out. Because we're in this one, we're still in this one, we're touching this one, and it can do whatever it wants from there, right? Come on, man. It's not about entering the trades. That's very important. But what makes the most profitable traders are being able to exit in profit. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so listen, if it's gonna go down, we'll keep that there. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna do some liquidity grab shit before the big move. Above here, could be like above here. So we'll do both. Fuck it, we'll mark off both. Hey man, what's better than 1 millionaire? 2. Fuck it, time out. So we got sell liquid, then we'll do another shit. You know, if you blow this up, if you just select an item, hold control. Guess what? You got you another one, dude. You got you another one. So if you come over here and select this thing, and then you hold control, CTRL on your computer, boy, and you drag that down. Oh, shit. Hold on. You click that and you drag that down, boy. It just copied that thing for you, boy. It just copied that thing. I bet you didn't know that. And if you did, your mom's a hoe. No, just playing. Alright, whatever. But goddamn, we'll keep it right there. So we're still rejecting off of this guy right here still. Let's see how far it wants to reject though. Let's go auto. Let's go zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Yeah. Then we go auto. And then we go make it a little wide. Alright, so boom, boom, boom. We got that guy. Right? We got this guy that's old news. Get rid of that guy. Down here, we have this guy. This could tween and make it push up, right? Tween and make it push up. Let's put these shits on. We'll do current interval only, cause this shit is getting too much. Current interval only. Yo, current interval only. Engulfing candle on the 1 minute. Looks juicy for a sell. Fox 5 News, accident on I-20 due to trading with Bruce, catching number, he said, what? Catching number, her said, what? Chance, did you fucking proofread that before you sent it? Don't send shit in the chat if you don't proofread it! Proofread your shit before you chat! We're not in 3rd grade no more, Chance! That makes no catching number her said. Hey Bruce, I'm new here. I just need to know how to enter a trade you call out. Thanks in advance. Yeah, for sure. Are you on this platform? Are you on TradingView? Do you have a funded account with who? Or are you on like... Yeah, answer those questions first. Answer my question, Jacqueline. Jacqueline Costa, Miss Costa. You gotta answer my question so I can answer your question. So we got a 5-minute order block right here. But I really wanted to push up higher and then come down. That's where the bigger move will be. Miss Costa, I'm trying to help you. You gotta answer my questions. I don't have a fund account, but I'm on TradingView. All right, cool. So this is what you want to do. You want to right-click your chart. You want to go to Settings. You want to go to Trading, and then you want to turn on the Buy/Sell buttons. When you turn on these Buy/Sell buttons, now you can literally click Buy, and you can literally click Sell. Okay. We are trading on NQ. right? So if you're not on NQ at the top left over here, then you type it, and then you type it in, boom, and then you click it right here, CME, NQ, got it? So now you'll be on the right chart. You have your right buttons. Make sure this says 1 or 2, depending on what size account you're going to get. And then you can just literally click buy to get in, a buy, and literally a sell to get in a sell. So if you're in a buy, right, let's say I buy it right here. So if I'm in a buy, I have to sell it to get out. So in order to get out for a manual take profit area, if I'm buying it, I have to sell one. So in order to sell it, I got to enter a sell limit. So if I'm in a buy, this will be my target, my take profit. Boom. That's how to do that. So you come over here, you come to this black dot, and if you don't have the black dot, let me show you how to add it. Go to settings. We're going to go to alerts, we're going to go to events, we're going to go to canvas. We're going to go to scales and lines. So this plus button. So go to scales and lines and go to the plus button and turn on the plus button. When you turn on the plus button, now you can right here click to create. Goddamn. You can click and create an order, right? So if I'm in a buy, beep, now I have to set my take profit. So I want to take profit at the highs. So I put my line at this level, put the black dot, touch that. If I'm buying, so picture this, when you're trading, say this. If I'm buying it, I have to sell to get out. So if I'm buying it, I have to sell to get out. The only way to sell is a sell limit. Boom. So if I'm buying it and I have to get out under price for a stop loss, so if I'm buying it, I have to click the black dot, and then if I'm buying it, I have to sell it. So then that's when you do a sell stop. Got it? And then you'll enter a sell stop. Boom. Now that'll be your stop loss. So if you're in a buy, this is your take profit. And when you're in a buy, this will be your stop loss manually. Now if you do it automatically, you can come over here and create a bracket order. So if you come over here, you can click buy, market, and then now you can enter your take profit and stop loss. But you got to know the exact level. Or you can do limit, and then you can move your limit right here. And then do, okay, I'm risking 900 to make 800. And then you come over here to market, and then you can click it. And it's still the same parameters. Got it? Or if you know you want a 50 tick take profit and a 50 tick stop loss, right? You can do that. And then Bink, it'll give you the exact take profit and stop loss already set automatically. But over here, you have to do it manually because you're manually entering. Over here, it's going to give you a bracket. But if you have one unchecked, it's not going to give you a stop. If you have them both checked, it's going to give you both. If you have one checked, you're only going to get the other one. Got it? And if you come right here, go 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that 50 ticks is now 750 when I'm risking 3 contracts. So when I go up to 4, now I'm risking 1,000. When I go up to 5, now I'm risking 1,250 on 50 ticks. Right? If you want to go back down to 1, now I'm only risking 250. Got it? So that is how you enter trades on Trading View.
I hope so.
And they got the Hennessy!
All right, here we go.
They got the Hennessy!
They got the Hennessy. All right, 5-minute OB violated. Perfect. We just grabbed liquidity possibly. This red shit is old news now. Get rid of that shit. All right, so now we just grabbed liquidity off this level. This could be the tank if price wants to keep going down. But we are coming out of this order block nicely. So we would have took a long here. Great trade all the way up. We would have took a long here. Great trade all the way up. It took a long here. You would have made a little drawdown. But you'll be back in profit. You know what I'm saying? In a real way, though. In a real way. But yeah, just like Miss Costa. Damn, am I saying that right? I don't want to say your name wrong. Miss JC. Can I call you JC? What's your nickname? Is it Jacqueline? JC what? Yes to what? So I can call you JC. I can call you Jacqueline. Is it Jacqueline? Jacqueline? That's fine, JC. All right. JC in the building! Damn, I was supposed to explode. All right, here we go, man. I mean, I planned on taking another trade. We're stuck in a pickle. Carvin Kennedy said he's back in the building. You were. Bruce, is that an OB on the 2 minute right off the golden zone? Yeah, technically, yeah. Yes. So price should be pushing up then, right? But I just don't think it's going to do that because of this plan. But, you know, who knows? I mean, honestly, if I was looking at only trend direction on the lower, yes, I would take this buy all day and stop under here without any second guessing. But seeing the set, like knowing that we're pushing up, but just knowing that we're also in La La Land, bro. Like straight La La Land, super high. We got highs here and highs here. Like we're just in La La Land. Everybody's trying to buy it right here. So it's just like, bro, this is perfect place for them to just tank for the rest of the week. Thursday, Friday. And market opens in 5 minutes. It's respecting off the MA2. Yeah, like it's a nice buy now. For sure. Like if you're just looking at the one, yes, this is a buy all day. But when you add all the factors, I wouldn't be wanting to take a buy until all this confirms, bro. Like it's just got to line up. But this buy is in line with this, yes? And this, and this. It's more so in line with this versus these. Because these are actually starting to like give huge breaks of structure, very clean. This could easily just push up next candle close. You know what I'm saying? This doesn't look bad for a continuation for a buy. But over here, you have to start to be, you know, fucking aware of what's going on the hires too, to save you out of some trades. Right? Because if my plan for liquidity be grabbed on these levels and then it pushed down, then I would wait for a sell order block, and then there's more high probability versus just trying to ride this. Because this trend might be old now, but nobody knows until it makes a new low and violates its order block. So it's a lot of people trading right now that really doesn't know what it's going to do kind of shit. You know what I'm saying? And I don't like to not know. You know what I'm saying? Now I got it, Angelique. I fuck with it. Always ask me questions. Cause don't get on the stream and be like, yeah, bro, after the stream, I didn't know what you was doing, bro. Can you show me how to enter a trade? Yes, on stream! The 30 and the 2 are showing longs. 30 and the 2 are showing longs. So technically, this 30 is at a short opportunity. So the 30 right now is setting up a buy to sell until it breaks, right? This is a buy to sell until it breaks. This is a buy to sell until it breaks, or breaks up here, right? So this is now. I feel like it's not going up because of this move right here. After they grab liquidity high, what do they need from up there? They're gonna just push it down and grab liquidity from down here. So the alert will be down here up under all of this. Clean all that shit up. Let this be a liquidity grab. And then melt. There's a 5-minute OB down here, but even tighter. There's the 1 minute inside of it down here. So it could bounce off of here and continue up. But if it wants to push down, then it's going to blow straight through it. It's right at the BOS on the 5-minute of Asia's high. What? Alright, the 9:30 has officially opened. Rejecting off the 30-minute. Rejecting off this level on the 15. I'm thinking down because they grabbed liquidity already. Y'all see how it works? The next move will be after they grab liquidity, bro. Shit's crazy. Every time, bro. I called that shit. I didn't call it to trade it, but you know what I'm saying? You got to be aware of these situations. So we could be touching right here and coming back down off of this order breaker block and this low. Could push all the way up here to the 1 minute. If this shit closes back down here, this shit could flood. Straight bleed. Slick charts bleeding where? This shit is going up. This shit was at 8% earlier, now it's at 10. I had to refresh my bad. That old ass. She looking at stats from 2 weeks ago, y'all. No, yesterday, 2 days ago. Before the big move yesterday. Alright, I might be going short here in a second. Maybe. I don't know, bro. They done violated all of these order blocks. Alright, at the break of this candle, I think I'm going short. Right here. Alright, I'm short. Oh shit. Don't tell me twice, don't tell me twice. Alright, cool. I just want a quick push down here. So if I'm selling it, I need to be buying one. Selling one, I need to be buying one. Pull back to the golden zone right now. I don't really want that to happen. I'm not going to re-enter either. I'm going to just let it play out. Orange folder at 9:45. All right. Red at 10. All right. Might have put another sell stop down here. So if price comes back down here, it's gonna melt. So I want to be in a second contract when that happens. Or I'm about to take a fucking L. There's a little order block right here. It could reject right here and go up. So I needed to blow straight through that. Come on, blow through it. Blow! Everybody put boner in the chat. If you want to cash this trade, put boner in the chat. Everybody, all right, I'm in my second contract. Put boner in the chat right now. Boner in the chat. Boner in the chat if you want to cash this bitch. If not, you're jinxing us. Boner in the chat if you want to cash this bitch. 200, I'm out. 200, I'm out. Fuck the bullshit. Oh, shit. Oh my God.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't.
Hey, that shit gonna keep flooding probably, but I'm straight, bro. Fuck that. God damn. Got in late because you got in up here probably, and then you dropped 2 Connies, cashed out. Come on, man. See that? Look, even if you're in drawdown, long as you know like the levels it can possibly pull back to, and I highlighted them all, and then boom. Now if it stopped here at this block and pushed up, I would have been cooked, but it didn't. It blew. Yep, it bled straight through, and guess where they went, y'all? Listen, this is a learning lesson. Listen, learn from this. I've been telling y'all the whole session. If they already grab liquidity high, they're done up there. We're only focusing on breaking, retesting, and coming down. That shit had me geeked. News in 5 minutes. We're done, Ronnie. So news is in 5 minutes. If you're not already out, get the fuck out, whatever. And where did I say we was going to go? Where's the next liquidity? Under all of these equal lows, y'all. Where did they just go to? That's what the alert was. And that was at the golden zone. So listen. It's there, bro. It's there. But after, listen, if you don't know, my rule, everybody who's been here knows this. When I say this, they know. If I'm in a trade and I flip to drawdown, like negative, it just doesn't matter. Any drawdown, like significant, like I was down like 800-900 on that trade, right? So significant drawdown, and it comes back into profit. Any increment 200-300, I'm getting out. I don't care what it does after that. I don't give a fuck. I'm getting out, because what if it comes into profit and then shoots back up? Now I'm down -8, -9, -1,000, and I was up in profit. That's not smart. We must stop doing that. Got it? So guess what, y'all? There's 2-0 today. So that's motherfucking GG's. And guess how many days in a row, y'all? Put it in the chat. Who knows how many days in a row now? Put it in the chat. Yep, 18 days in a row. Yesterday was 17, today is 18. Guess what? That's 4-0 this week. We not fucking around. We taking this shit one day at a time, bro. Now we're 90 out of 97. Y'all know why though, right?
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
No more trading today. Everybody put W's in the chat, P&L in the chat. 6 people done left already. They mom a hoe. Hey, W's in the chat. 16, damn. W's in the chat, P&L in the chat right now. W's in the chat, P&L in the chat right now. Everybody drop it right now. If you already dropped it, I didn't see it. Please do it one more time for me. W's in the chat, P&L in the chat, bro. Oh my God, boy! We did it again. You know why?
You know we don't miss.
Hey, you know we don't miss. Hey, you know we don't miss. Hey, you know we don't miss. Come on now, listen. That's 18 days in a row. We just caught 2 sells, right? We caught 2 trades, 2 sells, 2 scalps, 2-0. Let's see how much the chat made, baby. 267, 500, 500, 225, 635, 555, 115, 250, 280. Oh my God, 385, 155, 960. Oh my God, $1,500 day for Nolan, boy. Oh my God.
You know we don't miss.
What?
You know we don't miss.
What? Walk over
Trish.
Trish. Hey, listen. If you want to trade live with us every single morning, Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern, join up at tradewithbruce.com or message me directly for the discounted link. Let's go!
You know we don't miss.
Hey,
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
688, 555. Come on, man. Stop playing. I love how you explain during and after each trade. Don't forget the before. I love how you explain before, during, and after each trade. Because I'm a fucking professional. I am a professional, bro. I do this shit, bro. The real way. Not recreational. Not for a hobby. I don't do shit else but trade. You feel me? Like, this is not, oh, I'm about to go to work, I can blow my account. No, there's no fucking work. There's nobody, hey, can I borrow this? I'm short. No, there's nobody to lean on, bro. You know what I'm saying? CC. Come on, man. Good work, everybody. Everybody done left, bro. Y'all ugly, bro. Your mom's a hoe. No, I'm just playing. They're like, hey, that was my other phone that left. I'm still in here. No, I'm just fucking with y'all. But, hey, guess what, man? Wrap it up. We did it, y'all. That's 4-0. Tomorrow, we go 1-0, and we wrap up the week 5-0. That trade was hard. Come on, man. This is what we do, man. This is what we do, Eric. Eric, this your first day in it? Eric Paulson? No. Oh, that was Eric Enriquez. It's not his first day, right? Everybody have a blessed day. Yes, man. There he goes! Eric Enriquez! That was his first session. So it's 2 Erics. Bro, we got a lot of people in here. Like, we got 2 Rodneys. We got 2 Erics. I think we got 2... Day 8. Eric Paulson's on day 8, and we haven't lost yet. Literally. We haven't lost yet, boys! He's on day 8, and we haven't lost yet. Gotta do a video for that. Hey, Pete, man. Big announcement, man. Listen. Eric Paulson done been with us for 8 days. We're literally on an 18-day winning streak. We was on a 10-day winning streak when he joined. Now we're on 18 days. So he's been cashing out the last 8 days with us. So you, watching this video, you need to join up too so you can cash out the next 8 days. Because listen, my record is 29 days in a row. We're nowhere near, we're nowhere near losing. We're only going to get fucking better. So join up right now at tradewithbruce.com. Or message me directly for the private discounted link. You know what I'm saying? But why should you join? I got a perfect song for you.
You know we don't miss.
Hey, you know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Hold on. Eric said, and he got me funded last week. Let go, boy. He didn't say let's go. He said, let go, boy. He said, let go, boy. Hey, man, let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? You are another W day, 18 days in a row. Oh my God, 4-0 on the week. We out, man. Hey, I made the 5 videos. Hey, let go, boy. All right, y'all. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern, same time. Hey, guess what? That was the first day of the month too. So we just started the first day of the month with a W. You know what I'm saying? We ended the month on a 17-day winning streak. We started that month like 1-2-1, 1-2. We had like 2 losses, but not back to back. So we broke our streak on April 1st, and then we had a winning day. Then we had another losing day on April 3rd, and then from there we went 17 in a row. Now today, May 1st, 18 in a row. So my goal is to go undefeated this month, right? And we're gonna take it one day at a time. Got it? 29 days in a row. We went a whole month undefeated. In the month of March. In the month of March, we had 0 losing days. The month of March, we was on a 29-day streak from February. So our last losing day was February 18th. Then we went on a 29-day streak. Oh my God. And then we broke it with 2 days out of 4 days. No, hold on. We lost on the April 1st. Then we won April 2nd. We won April 3rd. Then we lost April 4th. Ever since then, we went on a 17-day win streak. Oh my God. Now we're on an 18-day win streak. Wow. Y'all, listen, I'm telling y'all, when I post them reels and shit on Instagram, when I say this one setup can literally change your life, I'm not fucking lying. This one order block setup is the reason we're undefeated. This order block setup is the reason I'm a profitable trader, right? Like, more profitable than before. Like, of course, I was making money then, but now I'm doing it with, like, little risks. Like, I don't lose that much. Back then, I would lose, win, but win bigger, but lose a lot, too. You know what I'm saying? So, in the words of Eric, man, let go, boy. All right, man, we out. Same time tomorrow, bro.
You know we